Hey guys, what's up? What's up? I'm Sam here from Sampoy Tech after a long time. I know, believe me. Today I'm gonna unbox smart toothbrush. Is that a thing? Smart toothbrush? I don't know, we will see. I'm gonna unbox smart toothbrush from Oral-B Model Genius X 20000. So if you want to know what is inside the box of smart toothbrush, stay with me for the rest of the video, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Well, you might wonder what's the difference between a smart toothbrush and your normal toothbrush. Well, first of all, it can connect to your phone via Bluetooth to give you full analysis of your brushing time. Second part is you have 6 different modalities to change it during your washing your teeth. The first mod is for daily cleaning, of course, deep clean, sensitive gums, whitening, massaging your gums, and cleaning your thumb. Well, it might be useful, I guess. Let's open it and see what's inside this box. Let's open it up. Here's the box. Nice and slow. There we go. Oral-B in here. And welcome to Oral-B. Blah 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 blah. And the toothbrush itself. And the travel case. What else? Few heads for the toothbrush. And probably the chargers. And the adapter, and not an easy box to open, definitely. And the stand for the toothbrush itself. There we go. So, what do we have inside the box? Travel case, 2 places for heads, and toothbrush in here. In travel, you can use your travel case as your phone charger. While you're charging your toothbrush, you can charge your phone as well. I'm gonna use this toothbrush for a few weeks to make a full review of it. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you have any question, you can write in comment section of this video or DM me on Instagram. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell next to it to get notified whenever I upload a new video. See you on next video.